Hello, welcome to all again in my art channel, Ram Barkhane Arts. And today again we are going to make an abstract art, a contemporary abstract art in a very small size, 8 by 8 inches. Last time the same thing I did, the similar thing, not same. I did such a contemporary abstract art on the same black canvas with the same size, and you've given me so much love. Thanks to all. And today I'm going to make this one on this canvas. Okay, so let me start. I'm taking out golden color, and this is acrylic medium. I'm using a 4 number flat brush, that is a fine art brand, and I start from the center of the head, so that I would have a freedom to make the perfect outline. And in this painting, outline should not be visible as I try. So let me see how it will be appear. Before I go to the next steps, before finishing this painting, I am just requesting you all, please don't hesitate to comment which thing or which word or which animal or which thing you want to see in such kind of painting style. As you know, this is the characterism art style of me, and that is unique. uh, it is not used before in any book or anywhere. And I'm confirmed that you will love everything in this style, because it can capture the realism and the abstract form also in the same time. As you see, I'm just making this, I'm painting this eagle with a golden color, very normal and average canvas and average color brand and average um, everything, every tool there. So they're not just they're not advanced, but the style will make it more advanced. Look at here, this is the eagle. The emotion of this eagle will be what? Can you guess? Actually, the expression of the eagle in this painting is calm down and just waiting for the perfect time. And in the previous painting, also the same theme, but it's a next step. It means he can wait and watch, but he's just thinking that let the time tell you. Okay, time will tell you automatically. Time will have opportunities for you. Time will have everything, every success for you, because you are trying well. So this is the emotion just behind this painting and the expression of the eagle. And see, I'm using this painting knife after using the painting brush. By this painting knife, I am just scratching the part of golden color to depict the mouth line, between his mouth. A black line was there, and smoothen with the brush. And one more thing, that is nose, the part of the nose holes on his mouth. So I just given the impact of this all thing by using this flat brush and the painting knife. And now you can see I am very comfortable with the black canvas, because it doesn't need any middle tone or dark tone. You just need to paint the light and bright portion of the painting. And by using the layer and layers over the layers, you can create so many shades easily. If your drawing concept, your fundamentals are good, So you can use directly such black canvas to make portraits and paintings and like these animals. These are also sufficient to make, but in my style I'm just want to make them as an abstract form, so the people should think about it. What is the theme of this painting, and what the artist want to tell by this painting? So these thoughts must be in the mind of viewers. So this is my thinking. And now I'm just making the background a little blue and gold color mixed, and just covering with the flat brush, the same brush by that I made the eagle. Now this painting is dried and ready to make the textures, and ready to make the next layer, because in this kind of painting I need a wet surface for limited time also, and then I will make the textures. So I took the black color acrylic medium and used water to make it a little thin, and mixed with that brush. And I thought that I should use a flat and big brush to cover this canvas very fast. So I used next brush, as you can see this one, and this is wash brush that I use in the watercolor to wash the first wash of the painting, and also I used in various paintings like acrylic and watercolor and all. So I do it usually, and see, this is very easy to cover in a short time. The full canvas in a very short time I have covered with the black color. And after covering all the canvas, I need to make it smooth, so I am doing this with the same brush, the flat brush, painting brush. And now this is the time for finally the textures. How to make the texture, you should watch from here, and this is 8 minute and 45 second. So on this time you can watch how to make the textures in this kind of painting style. This is called characterism. As I told you in the previous painting, I have very few time to make the textures, so that's why nowadays I'm using very small canvases, and further I may use the big canvas. And see, I'm using my painting knife to make the textures. I can also use the nails, but in the acrylic medium nails are not working well, so I'm just using this painting knife. And I have some more painting knives also, but I am very comfortable with this painting knife. Now I want to make some bigger strokes of such cracks and textures, so there would be depth in this painting. and some thin cracks and textures also. So it will be completely a combination of the different kinds of the strokes and textures and cracks, whatever you can say. And finally, my artwork is completed. You can see the eagle's expression, and that is hidden, and this is showing the abstract form of the painting. If you liked this, please like, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I will see you in the next video.